Good morning. Stock futures were pointing to a lower open on Wall Street as investors pause ahead of a handful of economic reports and also anticipating the Federal Reserve's policy announcement next Wednesday. This morning we'll get producer price index at 8:30, industrial sentiment at 9:15, and then good old University of Michigan sentiment at 9:55. Well, Smith & Wesson is shooting higher this morning. Couldn't help it. After the gun maker said it expects fiscal fourth quarter earnings of 44 cents a share. That's way above the Wall Street estimate of 40 cents a share. The company said its fourth quarter sales would rise 38% from a year ago to $179 million. Gun sales went up as owners feared new gun legislation would limit purchases. Smith & Wesson also did a debt swap, and they announced a $100 million share buyback. Stockholders are invited to tender their shares at $10, which is a 7.5% premium to Thursday's closing price of $9.30. Groupon is also trading higher this morning after an upgrade from Deutsche Bank. The analyst gave the company a buy rating and a price target of $10 and a bull case target of $16. The stock had been trading at about 6 and change, but it's now jumping over $7 as a result of this. Deutsche Bank highlighted the company should be in a position to grow their billings 20% and plus on the transition to their pull strategy, marked by further traction in mobile and SEO, SEM, which should result in upwards of 30% upside to the 2015 consensus EBITDA. That's the bull case. SolarCity is also shining after an upgrade from Credit Suisse. A lot of upgrades this morning. The stock is up 9% in pre-market trading after the analyst gave it an outperform rating and a $52 price target. The stock is currently trading in the mid-30s. Analyst Satya Kumar said he was more confident following talks with the California Public Utilities Commission, and he thinks the governor will support distributed solar generation, though the meter cap might not be raised until 2015. Kumar sees 2014 earnings of a loss of 58 cents a share, but the consensus as a loss of $1.48. So SolarCity is jumping almost 9% on that news. And that's what's happening before the bell. Good luck trading, everyone.